here with Vijay Zari Takdikar of UCAM Group. He is heading the business of UCAM as well as their sister concerns, Nimble Machines and Nimble Electric. They have developed a new product, Atmanirbhar product, and we are here to talk about that.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
what is this product actually? It looks very nice, black in color, black beauty.
Yeah. We call as a black DDR.
Okay.
This is a direct drive rotary table where we have completely indigenized manufacturing in India, including the torque motor required for making it a direct drive. It's a very fastest rotary table. There is no backlash. It can move very fast, where customer can save a time required for the machining of the component, and no backlash because there is no mechanical element. Very high acceleration and deceleration that helps to improve the cycle time of the machine. This is, we are already manufacturing rotary tables from last 25 years. Those are a worm gear, we can say gearbox. The new technology we have adopted, which is called direct drive technology. Initially, we were importing the motors, but that product cost was going very high. So we decided to make a torque motor ourselves for the rotary table. It is a backward integration. So, and then we have developed, and lot of direct drive rotary table are supplied in the industry.
Okay, so this particular product, direct drive, where are the applications we are having for this particular product?
Yeah, wherever the automotive component, where there is a cycle time, pressure of cycle time is there, or lot of tool chains are there. The component require lot of tool chains. Then to reduce the cycle time, the rotary table has to match with the rapids of the axis. So it is very fast. It indexes very quickly, and acceleration and deceleration are high. In automotive part machining, whenever the customer want profile generation, for example, blade for power industry or turbine blades, it can be impellers, it can be any which needs a smooth profile. Where you need a smooth profile, it means that acceleration and deceleration, it should be dynamic. There it can be used. It can be used, in fact, at all the places, but more specifically where you are looking the faster speed, where you are looking the profiles, very smooth profiles, there it can be used.
So the people who are already having a process, who are having a machining process, they can still take this product. It is not like that it should go with the equipment only.
Nothing. Whenever, imagine that they have existing machine already, where it may be 3-axis or using our old table. They can remove and they can use this table.
Okay.
We have to do little adjustment in the controller and parameter setting. That's all. It can be used for any controller, Fanuc, Siemens, Mitsubishi, Hedenen, any controller it can be used. So it is a fit and forget, it will work.
For the last 25 years, UCAM is in the business.
Yeah.
And research and development is something which takes us ahead.
True.
And I'm sure that this indigenous product is something what UCAM have developed is going to help many manufacturers in getting their productivity higher. So what was the one reason which made UCAM to invent this?
Yeah. Say, we are the largest manufacturer of rotary table in India. When we see globally, there is a trend which is going towards high-speed machining. And when there is a need of developing something which is agile and dynamic, where our global competitors are started in that, so we also have opened our eye. And we have inquired with friendly customer, and they found, yes, this can be useful for them, helpful for them. Then we develop this product, and when it is in use in practical, they were using our worm gear tables, and when they changed to direct drive, they have found 3 times is a reduction in the cycle time, typically for blade machining, turbine blade machining. That's how it is. It has taken a birth, and the adaptation or usage is easy. We have made it easy so that it can be used just on the 3-axis VMC. You can use this with a little adjustment in the controller.